Namaste ji, namaste. Welcome to another episode of TLOI Talks. TLOI stands for Teaching Laws of India. In this episode, let us talk about the 3-year LLB. So there are two routes to pursue a LLB. One is right out of 12th standard. You take the CLAT and or AILET and then you opt in for an NLU of your choice, provided that you have cleared these examinations. If you have not, then you can pursue a standard graduation and take a more traditional route to a LLB. So it ain't over, presuming that you haven't cleared the CLAT or you haven't managed to secure a seat at NLU Delhi via the AILET. The result of the 2021 exam is yet to be out when I'm shooting this. You can still pursue a LLB. Now, this is one subject that the doors of which aren't very closed out for you. If you don't end up clearing one entrance examinations, then if you're really fanatic about pursuing a LLB and you really wish to pursue a LLB, don't worry at all. You can pursue it via the 3-year mode. Now, how do we go about it? So you then pursue your standard graduation, presuming that you have decent enough marks in your 12th standard. Well, then you pursue a standard course such as in economics honors or BCom honors, and if you have a high enough mark range from your 12th standard, then you sit in at any of the top colleges, maybe from Delhi University or from your town, and then you opt in for a 3-year LLB. If you haven't scored marks in your 12th standard, which just may be the case, then what do? Well, then you opt in for these very courses, whether it's a BBA, whether it's a BCom, from any of the other colleges, not the top ones of course, but the other colleges, and then you go ahead later on to pursue a 3-year LLB. Now, where are these basically? Where is the Sarkari route of Sarkari colleges that offer a 3-year LLB? So, prime post is DU, BHU, PU, GLC, ILS, and then there are the private ones, the Symbiosis, Amity has a program, I believe Jindal too has a program, and other places also. They do offer a 3-year LLB, but these are the prime most sasta options and most coveted ones, hotly fought out competitive entrance examinations, which you'll be taking after your graduation. Now, what happens, or what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages to a 3-year LLB? I'll just come to that. So now when you are pursuing a 3-year LLB, so right now when you're pursuing a 5-year LLB, that is a BLLB or a BBLLB in most cases, you are 17, 18. So when you are pursuing a 3-year LLB, you are 3 years more mature to take a decision whether you really wish to do this or not. And then your mind also, well, it keeps on changing. Remember in 4th grade, everybody wanted to be an aeronautical engineer. By the time that we hit the 7th grade, some people wanted to be video game developers, some people really didn't want to live in India, and some people want to be coders, wanted to go abroad, etc. And then as you moved towards your higher secondary schooling examination, the 9th and the 10th, 11th, 12th, every year your mind changed. Same keeps on happening almost till the age of 25. So nothing is really certain and definitive. So you are in a much more mature position to take a decision as to what to do ahead, right? And then the second is that you have a specialized graduation. So presume that you are pursuing, let us say, economics honors or a BCom honors from, let us say, a college such as the Hindu. Well, great. You have a much more specialized base. So you are pretty much opening one entire separate field for yourself. And let us say that while pursuing economics, you really get the hang of it and you really start liking it. And then you decide to drop the LLB altogether. And then you go in for mastering economics at the Delhi School of Economics, something such as that, because the mind will keep on changing. So this actually gives you a broader, you can say, a window of opportunity to pick out alternative options rather than being stuck in a 5-year program, provided that you haven't cleared it. If you have cleared it, well, great. It's an absolutely great program. I'm not saying anything against it. Don't misconstrue me. But this actually gives you a wider window of opportunity. A, to think. B, you have a backup degree as something to fall back upon, basically. So this is a wider range, certainly, for you to have in life. So let us say that you end up pursuing the 3-year LLB and you're like, screw it, I really don't wish to pursue this line of work any further. Okay, you have your economics honors, let us say even if it's an English honors, even if it's a philosophy honors, let us say it's an English honors, and then you wish to work in the domain of social media. Well, great, go ahead. It's all about earning a living at the end of the day, isn't it? So this gives you wider sort of range, and then you specialize in LLB, presuming that you are pursuing a 3-year LLB program. So these are usually very judiciary oriented, very litigation oriented. So the 5-year LLB is much more suited for corporate law. Now आज की डेट में अगर आप कहें कि जी मैं तो corporate lawyer ही बनना है, but you are 17-18 now, so might as well experience it first and then maybe the mind changes. काफियों का बदल जाता है बाद में. So this remains a valid, a decent enough option. All right. And then, as I've pointed out, mood, change of plans, everything gets factored in. Now, the primary disadvantage with the 3-year LLB is corporate placements. So you won't get matching corporate placements as the NLU guys do have. And over a period of time, you will realize, if you are in this field, that your college really matters for the initial 1 to 2 years in trying to basically open doors for you, and the doors do get open a little quicker. I've done a video on this, on how to play the career in law game in one of the episodes of TLY Talks. I'll just link it above. Do watch it. It's a recommended watch from my side, not to increase my view counts or anything, just that if you really haven't managed to ace the CLAT, well then you go ahead and watch that, and then figure out the game that you're trying to play, and then still be on par with your peers who did manage to clear the CLAT. Discuss that. So now corporate placements तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी कम ही मिलती हैं. Obviously matching वाली नहीं मिलती to a 5-year program, because a 5-year program has been specifically designed to produce lawyers who are working in the corporate field. But my counter argument is कि well अभी भी कौन सी मिल रही हैं. CLAT तो अगर क्लियर नहीं हुआ है कोई बात नहीं, अभी भी कौन सी मिल रही है. अगर आप already, let us say you've gotten like a rank of 2000, 3000, something like that, and then you're not in the top 5, top 7 NLUs, आपके पास अभी भी कौन सी corporate placements हैं. तो यहाँ पे अपना नाम से, अपने इंटर्नशिप से, अपने नेटवर्क यूज़ करके, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बस बेदखल कर दिया जाएगा कि जी आप इस कॉलेज से नहीं है तो जाइए आप यहाँ से. ऐसा शुरू में किन्हीं लॉ फॉर्म्स में होता है, बट मोस्टली काफ़ियों में नहीं भी होता. तो अगर आप इंटर्नशिप वगैरह करके यू कैन स्टिल क्लाइंब अप दैट लैडर. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप कोई पर्टिकुलर NLU से हैं, श्योर इनफ इट हैज सम वेटेज, तो नहीं भाई अब नहीं मिल रहा तो क्या करें, अब मतलब आगे तो चलेंगे ना ज़िंदगी में, और तो कुछ करेंगे. अब BMW नहीं मिल रही तो फिर ठीक है, फिर क्रेटा मिल रही तो चला लेते हैं, क्रेटा चला लेंगे, क्या प्रॉब्लम, चलें तो सही इंस्टेड की धूप में खड़े. And let us say that you have spoken this again and again and again, get into a college. So let us say that you're hell-bent कि नहीं मैं तो CLAT clear करना ही है, मेरे को तो NLU जाना ही है. ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. Get into a college. Still get into a college as a backup, because sometimes what a drop year tends to do is it drops your rank as well by, let us say, 1,000 ranks. Then you're like, how is that possible? I have much more time. It makes sense. Yeah, initially it does. And then you end up losing out on momentum, etc. And the mind is a very, very funny thing. So take it as a backup. बी ऑनर्स या कहीं BBA वगैरह में कहीं एनरोल तो हो जाइए. ठीक है, नहीं करना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, CLAT किया ही अटैम्प्ट देना, कोई बात नहीं. व्हाट इज़ द डाउन साइड? 1 साल की फीस ही जाएगी, यही है ना डाउन साइड. प्रिज्यूम कर लीजिएगा कि कोविड में तबीयत ख़राब हो गई थी एंड पेड इट ऑफ टू द हॉस्पिटल. वो लोग भी बिल बना के देते तो हमने पे ऑफ करने ही थे, कोई बात नहीं, इधर करते. टेक इट एज अ बैकअप. Some people really need it, and it's not a one size all fits solution ever in life. So for example, presume that you go back to your school days. In fact, school answers most of the mysteries of life any which way. जो टॉपर भैया थे आपकी क्लास या क्लास में, तो वो हमेशा कहते थे यार मैं तो बस 1 सेकंड में मुझे समझ में आ जाती है, और आप कह रहे हैं यार ये मैथ्स क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, मुझे तो पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ रही. और ये आदमी कह रहा है कि हाँ बस ऐसे ही, इतना आसान तो है. हर किसी का दिमाग अलग है, हर किसी की इंटेलिजेंस लेवल अलग है, हर किसी का एप्टीट्यूड अलग है, राइट. तो अगर कोई किसी को, जैसे मेरा ये 5 नंबर का चश्मा है, अगर आप पहनेंगे तो आपको नहीं सूट करेगा, और अगर आपका 2 नंबर का है मैं पहनूंगा नहीं सूट करेगा. तो एवरीवन्स अप्रोच इज डिफरेंट इन लाइफ. तो कई लोग ड्रॉप ईयर लेके दे डू रिमार्केबली वेल, लेकिन कई लोग ऐसे ही MBA के बाद या इवन CLAT वगैरह के बाद हर किसी को 32-35 लाख का पैकेज नहीं मिलता. Those are the rare few exceptions जिनका नाम अखबार में आता है. As आपके टॉपर्स फ्रॉम योर स्कूल कितने थे प्री कोविड टाइम्स? कितने निकलते थे? टीचर सेम, किताबें सेम, मोस्टली ट्यूशंस भी सेम। तो अगर उस बंदे का सोल्यूशन या वो जो लड़की अगर आपको कोई सोल्यूशन दे कि जी हाँ ऐसे ऐसे कर लो, आपको लग रहा है यार फिर भी मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, बिकॉज मे बी यू आर बिल्ट फॉर अ सर्टन डिफरेंट गेम इन लाइफ, हो सकता है। एंड दैट्स when you start figuring life out maybe later on in life, and then this thing really helps you out. कोई बात नहीं, यहाँ पे एनरोल होके अगले साल फिर क्लास दे दीजिएगा। नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, एटलीस्ट आपका फर्स्ट ईयर खत्म होगा और आप 3 year LLB से जस्ट यूल बी 1 year away to basically be sitting for the entrance right in your final year. That's great. So you end up saving 1 year at least. As it is, thanks to the pandemic, we mostly have lost 1 to 1.5 years now to this pandemic and the various lockdowns that keep on happening. ठीक है जी, तो ये थी जी 3 year LLB और yeah, that's about it. Pursue your graduation, then come back to law. लॉ का रास्ता एक ही डिग्री है जो ख़त्म नहीं होता। राइट आफ्टर योर 12th अगर आप नहीं क्लियर कर पाए कोई बात नहीं, टेक इट एज ए PG कोर्स, क्योंकि तब आपने ग्रेजुएशन तो कर ली होगी, तो यू आर डूइंग अ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग बाय 3 year डिसेंट इनफ। ठीक है जी, ऑलराइट, विशिंग यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, टेक केयर, बाय।